just saw this video where someone took beef, hung it from skewers in the oven to get the perfect golden brown exterior. Let's give it a try. All right, over here, as you can see, I have this piece of sirloin steak. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it into some nice strips. Now, I'm always looking for fun, new ways to cook things. And this video has provided that because apparently you just hang it in the oven. Now, I guess the idea is that by doing this, you're gonna get full 365 degrees heat all around that steak and are gonna get a beautiful golden brown crust on the exterior, which who doesn't want that for their steak? So we're just gonna cut that, make it into some nice shaped strips. Look at that, that'll hang right in the oven. And let's just do this piece as well, hang in from there. Okay, awesome. Now, I'm just gonna add some seasoning. Now, they did some like kind of teriyaki sauce. I'm just doing a little bit of oil, and I'm going to just do some of our seasoning. I'm just gonna do this super flavor-packed seasoning. You could do whatever you like, though. This is just kind of like a nice kind of barbecue meat seasoning. You do what you want. Any type of flavoring will do on this. So just rub that all over there. Then you take your skewers, and now the trick is you don't wanna go right at the tip because it could fall. You wanna give it kind of like, 4/5 on top, like that, so that it can comfortably hold. Now, if you come around, it is time for us to bake this in the oven. So my oven has been preheating to about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna keep a clean hand over here so I don't contaminate. And all you gotta do, check this out, they claim is just put it right through there, and look at that. The meat's hanging, and then the idea is that when you put it in here, it is then over that bottom pan for any drippings, and it works just like that. So we're just gonna keep on this system and making these. We're just gonna take our meat and skewer right through there. And the best part is you can also just pre-do this, do all your skewering, then come back around and put them in the oven. So skewer that and skewer that. And then if you come back around, I can now just get them all in the oven. These are now gonna bake for, I guess it'd be probably somewhere around 20 minutes or so. It should cook kind of quickly. Just lay those pieces of meat right in there to hang nice and easy. I mean, this might be strange, and I'm sure you have questions. I have questions as well, but you can't knock it till you try it. So I'm gonna give it a try so that I could either knock it or not knock it, but that's the rule. You gotta try everything once, and then make your decision. So place that there, place this one here, nice and easy, just like that. And now straight into the oven to bake. I mean, look at that visual, come on. It's hanging, it's cooking, getting full 365 degree heat coverage. I will see you when it's done baking. The kitchen smells incredible. Check this out. All right, these have been cooking, and I think they're probably ready. Let me just try to take it out of here. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some good golden brown action. Let's just check on the cook right over here super quick. How's it looking? They're pretty thin steaks, so they oh, look at that, maybe a little overcooked, but it's kind of like, good enough for a thin steak, a good kind of medium. So now I'm just gonna take these all out of here, and this was literally like a 12-minute cook, a little, or even less. It was so quick. I'm just gonna take our steaks out of here, place them on there. What a great, quick, and easy way to cook them, right like that.